Assalamu alaikum everyone. So here our new student present here. Now I'm going to ask him some question about himself. So are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay. The first question is that what's your full name?
My full name is Arfat Hussain Mujammel.
Oh, that's really fantastic. Your name is really good. Okay. So what can I call you?
Yes, you can call me Arfat.
I can call you Arfat. Okay. That's good. Your nickname is Arfat.
Yes.
Okay. So are you a student?
Yes, I'm a student.
Okay. What's your school's name?
My school's name is Jagadishpur JC High School and College.
Okay. What class do you read in?
I read in class 10.
Okay. You read in?
Class 10.
Okay. So do you have family?
Yes, I have family.
Okay. How many people live in your family?
I have 3 people in my family, 4 people in my family. There are 4 people in my family.
Oh, that's really fantastic. Okay, so who are they?
First of all, my father, my mother, my sister, and me.
Oh, that's nice. Okay, how many brothers and sisters do you have?
I have just one sister,
Oh, that's really fantastic. You have no brother.
no brother.
Okay. So what's your village name?
My village name is Santeshpur.
Shantoshpur. Okay, so how many people live in your village?
My village live in 1,000 people.
1,000 people live in your
live in
village.
village.
Okay, so who is your favorite person?
My favorite person, my mother.
Okay, so do you have friends?
Yes, I have one friend.
You have one friend.
One friend.
Okay, who is your best friend?
My best friend name is Monik Rahman.
Anik Rahman. Okay, so do you like him?
Yes, I like him.
Okay, so what's your country's name?
My country's name is Bangladesh.
Do you like Bangladesh?
Yes, I like Bangladesh.
Okay, so are you a citizen of Bangladesh?
Yes, I citizen in my
You are a citizen of Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
Okay, so what's your coaching center's name?
My coaching center's name English Message is
Okay.
very
Popular center
popular
in
center in
Jagadishpur.
Jagadishpur JS High School and College.
Okay, so what's your English teacher's name?
My English teacher's name is Khaled bin Saleh and you Limon.
Okay, that's really fantastic. Okay, so do you like your English teacher?
Yes, I like English teacher Limon and Khaled bin Saleh.
Sir, okay, no problem.
Sorry, sir.
Okay, so what's your future plan?
My future plan is abroad.
You wanna go abroad?
Abroad.
Okay, that's really fantastic. Okay, so do you like English?
Yes, I like English.
Okay, are you learning English?
Yes,
You are learning
I'm-
English regularly.
regular.
Okay, so that's really fantastic. You have answered the questions really well. So that's all about it. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.